practice addition. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Pots. 1, 2, 3. 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Good job!
Teddy bears. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Shoes. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Pick a sticker.
Flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4.
Good job!
Locks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5.